WAGO control technology is not only open, but also secure. Linux is used on many of our controllers. This offers many possibilities to extend the system with freely available technologies. For Linux users, this is an interesting way to create an individual solution. And through the integration of the Docker interface, this possibility is also available to other people in a simple way. In so-called containers, functionalities can be enclosed and used on the WAGO control technology. Another advantage of using Linux is the integrated security. In combination with regular updates by WAGO, a very secure system is available that is well positioned in terms of cybersecurity. WAGO control technology secures the possibilities of expansion.